Ali was stunned. Repeat this word, stunned. Stunned means shocked. But he did as the fakir told him to do. Now his one-room house became even more cramped. Now Ali is shocked to hear this, but he does what fakir asked him to do. Now his house became even more restricted. 2 days later, he met the fakir again, and the fakir asked him how he was doing now. After 2 days, Ali again meets the fakir. Now the fakir asked him how is he now, how he was doing. Ali cried, "Terrible! The animals have made the room more cramped. We are now squeezed in a corner. But what should we do?" Now, Ali starts crying terribly. He tells that the room has been restricted due to the arrival of the animals. They all have to live in a corner. What should they do now? He is very upset. The fakir smiled. "Don't worry, have faith in Allah. Now take the buffalo and the goat also in the room and meet me after 2 days." Now fakir smilingly says, "Don't worry and have faith in Allah. Now go and get in the room the buffalo and the goat also, then meet me after 2 days." Ali could not believe his ears. What he could not muster. Repeat this word. Muster means assemble enough courage. Courage means bravery. To argue with the fakir reluctantly. Return means unwillingly. He did as he was told. After hearing this, Ali could not believe his ears because it was difficult for him to keep those animals already. But he was not able to muster, means to assemble up the courage to argue with the fakir. Without his willing, he did what he was told. Life became hell for all of them, as there was no space even to walk in the room. Now life had become a hell for all of them. Now they did not have a space to walk. Already the room was small. Now animals also came in it. So he was very upset with the condition of his family. After bearing the torture for 2 days, Ali went back to the fakir and told him his problem. Now, after bearing all the problems that he faced, he again go back to the fakir and told him all his problems. The fakir smiled calmly. Repeat this word. Calmly means without rough emotion, and said, "Take the chickens out." Now Ali meet fakir again after a few days. The fakir smilingly said to him, "Take out the chickens from the room." Ali rushed back to do this, but was back the next day. "The buffalo has chewed up my children's books," he exclaimed. Hearing this, Ali is a little satisfied and runs away, goes back and take the chickens out. But on the second day, he comes back again and tells, "Buffalo has chewed his children's books," he exclaimed. The fakir said calmly, "Send buffalo out too." Now fakir told him calmly, "Get the buffalo out too." Ali took the buffalo outside to the shade. Ali does the same and removes the buffalo from the room. After 2 more trips to the fakir, consequent days, the dog and the goat were also back in the shade outside the room. Ali meets fakir 2 times in a similar way and also take out the dog and the goat from the room. When Ali met the fakir on his visit to the mosque, the good fakir asked him, "How are you, good man?" When Ali meets Fakir on next visit. Fakir asks him again, "How are you now, good man?" "Oh, quite comfortable with the animals back in their shade. The house is big enough for all of us to live comfortably," said Ali. Now Ali tells him that it's now quite comfortable than before after the animals are gone to their shade. The house is big enough for all the family members to live comfortably. So students, did the house really grow up? No, the house was as small as it was before. It became congested with the arrival of animals, but then he actually understands that they never give the values to the thing which they have. They always do complaints. We should live a simple life. We should not complain about what we have. Student, read this chapter once again. Stay home and stay safe. Thank you.